Incoming materials are received to ensure the correct parts enter the production flow. Each lot is scanned to establish digital traceability from receipt to shipment. Non-conforming materials are isolated, while approved lots are released to production.
Check the feeder setup for the mini LEDs.
Confirmed, calibrated, and locked.
Reflow profile looks good to go.
Seasoned or part one. The audio begins with the distinct sound of mechanisms, followed by the sound of mechanisms.
Solder paste is applied to define electrical and mechanical joints.
Automated placement mounts components accurately and at high speed. Vision-guided placement ensures accuracy for dense and fine-pitch components. Controlled heating permanently forms solder joints on the PCB. Automated inspection detects solder defects early in the process. Depaneling separates individual boards for functional testing. In-circuit testing verifies electrical integrity of assembled boards. Test results determine whether boards proceed or are held for investigation.
Corrective rework restores functionality when feasible.
Functional testing verifies real operating behavior beyond basic circuitry. The TV cabinet is prepared to receive electronic modules securely. Power electronics are mounted to supply stable energy to the system. Automated checks prevent hidden connection errors early in assembly. Backlight modules are connected to deliver uniform brightness. The bezel secures the panel and defines the final TV appearance. The enclosure is closed to protect internal components.
Weight checks detect missing or extra components before testing.
Ground testing ensures safe electrical bonding of the TV enclosure.
Initial power on confirms that the TV operates as intended.
Vision systems objectively assess display quality criteria. Interface testing ensures all external connections function correctly.
Short burn-in screens out early life electronic failures.
Final inspection confirms stability after extended operation. Consistency check. Inspection closes the burn-in loop before pack-out.
End-of-line results determine release or corrective action. Retesting verifies that corrective actions were effective.
Accessories are matched to each TV configuration.
Sealing secures the packaged TV for downstream handling.
Final weight verification confirms all contents are present.
Shipping labels enable logistics tracking and routing. Cartons are sequenced to build stable pallets.
Automated palletizing ensures consistent and safe load formation.
Wrapping stabilizes pallets for transport and storage.
Finished pallets are moved into controlled warehouse storage. Organized storage maintains inventory accuracy and product protection.
Packaging waste is segregated and compacted for recycling.
Metal scrap is compacted to enable efficient recycling. Plastic scrap is processed for controlled recycling or reuse.
Non-recyclable waste is stored safely for licensed disposal.
Pallets are sequenced for efficient loading and dispatch.
Finished goods are loaded securely for transportation to distribution centers.
Can you verify the seal numbers for the Guangzhou shipment?
Yes, 88B and 89D are logged.
Okay, I'll update the bill of lading now.
The shipment is released from the factory to the logistics network.
Stored inventory remains ready for future shipment under controlled conditions.
The yield on the mini LED panels dropped sharply here.
Yes, correlating directly with the defect spike in Module 3. We need to investigate.
Routine maintenance sustains consistent production quality. Calibration ensures measurement and assembly accuracy.
Ensure the ribbon cable is seated properly before using the driver.
Like this.
Good. Now follow the sequence on the screen for the remaining screws.
Pull-based replenishment keeps material flow stable without overstock.
This clearly shows the impact of the changes we implemented.
Absolutely. Now let's move this one into in progress for the next shift.
Ensure these guards are secured at all times, and check the stop button calibration. I'll make a note.
Configuration checks ensure the TV matches its intended market requirements.
Spot checks verify that packaged products remain compliant.
Audited units are restored to full packaging condition.
Approved pallets are staged for immediate dispatch. Environmental controls protect product quality during storage and loading.
Documentation confirms compliant waste and recycling management. Coordinated logistics conclude the factory production cycle. Service parts are stocked to support after-sales reliability. Controlled sorting ensures safe reuse and compliant disposal. Production activities extend beyond the line into coordinated logistics. An integrated system delivers consistent Mini LED TV production at scale. Controlled idle conditions protect equipment and in-process materials. Cleardown confirms that all finished goods are properly staged.
Security patrols protect finished goods during non-operational hours.
Controlled shutdown conserves energy while maintaining safety. The facility stands ready for the next production cycle.
All right, team, materials are green, machines checked out, and staffing is confirmed. We are good to go for the morning run.
Scheduled shipments are picked accurately from finished goods inventory. Final verification prevents logistics errors before dispatch.
The audio features a voiceover saying, "Shipments are fully secured and documented for
Finished TVs leave the factory for global distribution.
Cleared docs confirm shipment completion.
The factory is reset and prepared for the next production cycle.
A complete, controlled process delivers mini LED TVs at scale.